Hey everybody, this video got 6 locks here with the KW1 Keyway. The 2 over here are property preservation deadbolts, crappy locks. It's quick set doorknob, and then we got 3 quick set deadbolts here. This all came from jobs. What I'm going to do is I've got my quick set service kit here, 6 different keys and key codes here. So these are the last 6 I've got laying around on keys for. I'm going to try to pick these all open and get them rekeyed, and we're going to shoot for under 6 minutes here, but yeah, I guess if it goes to 8, it's okay, but trying to go under 6. Not rekeyed and reassemble, just rekeyed with a working key. So fire up the clock here, and we'll get started. Yeah, these locks here, normally don't ever single pin pick these in the field. When you do run into them, it's just rake a couple times and they usually open right up. It just feels like, oh crap, I actually had that open. And oh, that's gonna hurt if I don't make it. Alright, so 2 down. Minute 25 here, which not too great because those locks shouldn't be that hard. Okay, 4 down. That almost seemed like a false set on that one. I got to do a video just on that one, just so I can get the drivers. We're at 2 minutes and 51 seconds here. Alright, well, 3:01, got them all open. Now, need to plug it out here. And make sure I keep them all together, I guess. Fortunately, I've got plenty of followers here. Alright, and first key, 45254. 4. Shit, that ain't the right damn code. Oops, sorry, 1, got the wrong list here. 1, 2, 5, 4, 2, one down. Next key, 42362. 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, and not liking that pin number 2 there. Okay. Don't use this pin kit very much here. They might have been mixed up. There we go. Okay, there's 2 down. Next key, 4, 5, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 3, 4. And that's going to be a doorknob. Okay. And last deadbolt here. A quick set one anyway. We got 3, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, and not going to make 6 minutes. 3, 5, 3, 2. There's 6 minutes right there, so I missed that, which should get under 8 though. 4, 5, 2, 5, 4, 4, 5, 2, 5, 4. And the last one is 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. Yeah, alright. 6 minutes and like 50 seconds here. Not terrible. It's almost as fast as I wanted to go there, so anyway. Oh, we got one guy not working here. Don't remember which key that was. Well, I might have had a pin wrong or something because the that pinning kit could be mixed up. But anyway, I'll deal with that. That's gonna be good enough here. So that'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later. All right, I couldn't leave this with one of these damn things not working. So after turning the camera off and messing with it a little bit. This was a success. This key does work. It's just miscut, which most of these keys that came out of just some on the recycle box or bucket, I mean, and some just in a trunk drawer I've got. So anyway, this key does work, and so I'm gonna call it a success. Getting 6 of them picked and rekeyed here. I think it's about 6 minutes and 50 seconds. So. Anyway, that'll do it for this video, and we will talk to everybody later.